This is a one owner 2016 Honda Odyssey EX-L. It has 6 cylinders and 3.5 liters. The AutoCheck report gives this Honda Odyssey a score of 91 out of 91 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You have power doors and a power lift gate. And this Odyssey seats 8, and these back seats have the stow and go feature. So it makes that nice and flat. And if you need all 8 seats, it still has a nice deep spot for all of your luggage and cargo that you need to take. Come over here. I'll show you the aluminum alloy rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is in excellent condition. I'll start with the middle row. There are no rips or tears, stains anywhere. And then here's the third row. It's a nice gray leather seats. You have the tri-zone climate control, so the rear air passengers have control of their own air, as well as they have a nice sunshade. If kids are anything like mine, the minute that sun comes blazing in, they complain a little bit. So that is a nice feature. Now let's go up front. You have dual power seats. Here's the passenger seat. And here's the driver's seat. There are no caution or warning lights on. And over here you have your control of the doors, your lane departure warning, traction control, power locks and power windows, audio control, pair your phone, cruise control. Your navigation screen is where your backup camera is. You have heated seats. A nice feature, you have a cool box that you can use in here. Secret stash of sodas or chocolate even. That won't prevent it from melting. And there's your USB port, 12-volt port, as well as an auxiliary port. It also has a sunroof. And then there are your sunroof controls, as well as garage transmitters. If you are looking for an 8-passenger van, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll be sure to drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!